I'm glad to introduce that this is the most modern dishwasher with optimal cleaning technology. That saves time.
Yeah, I won't have to wash the dishes. I order a dishwasher right now.
How to build the dishwasher. Step 1. Build the wash tub. Install the motor and battery. Install the tank. Step 2. Build the filter. Step 3. Build the racks and door. Step 4. Build the clean dish tray. Testing. Add dishwasher detergent.
First, let's create some soap suds. Next, put the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Let's start washing the dishes. Wow, the stains on the dishes have been cleaned quickly. Get a dishwasher to save time on your household chores.
Yeah, this looks like a fancy dishwasher.
Aha!
Let's see how you perform.
Let's go! Huh? What's this? We will look for the treasure. Huh?
Let me try.
Don't worry, we'll build a car to climb the slope.
Step 1. Install the body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How it operates.
Yeah! Huh?
Oh.
To be continued.
Slime store.
The store has a range of slimes. I will make my own slime. Hurry, I want to see it now.
Time to mix the slime.
Clear slime. Gold glitter. Golden sprinkles.
Marvelous, I got it.
I ordered a lovely slime.
Clear slime. Pink glitter. Lovely charms. Clear slime. Green color. Brains. Butter slime. Purple color. Lego bricks. Clear slime. Blue glitter. Seashells.
Get out of here.
I want the richest car.
What is happening?
Get out of here. Someone here, help.
Clear slime. Green glitter. Money. How to get from point A to point B.
Go in by plane.
But if you don't have a plane,
Please build me a bridge.
this is the correct answer, a bridge.
Aha! We build a bridge to go from A to B, but how to build the folding bridge? Step 1. Build the bridge deck. Step 2. Build the approach slab. Step 3. Pave the bridge deck. Step 4. Build the engine. How does it work?
Okay, now you can go across the bridge now.
Let's go. Yeah, woo. We did it.
Do you believe us?
How about this? How to go from C to D.
Give me 5 minutes.
Haven't thought of it yet, right?
I got a new idea. We can build the twins bridge.
How to build the twins bridge. How does it work?
Hey, you lose. We win.
I have a more difficult problem. You will definitely lose. How to go from E to F?
By cable car.
How to build the cable car bridge. Step 1. Build the column. Step 2. Build the railway frame. Step 3. Build the cabin. Step 4. Build the engine.
I'm moving.
Okay, I lose.
Lego prison. Prison room 1.
Please follow me. Good. Here's your tip. Welcome in, sir. Wish you a nice day.
Prison room 2.
Go inside. It's your prison room. Please forgive me. Hurry up.
Prison room 3.
It's worth it. Die in there. Just wait. I will escape. I don't want to let you go.
Prison room 1. Rich prison room.
It's great being in here.
The castle gate. Step 1. Build the door panel. Step 2. Connect the door panel to the wall. Step 3. Build the pulley. Good. Prison room 2. Normal prison room.
I want to get out of here.
The roller door. Step 1. Build the door panel. Step 2. Connect the door panel to the wall. Step 3. Build the motor. Prison room 3. Broke prison room.
Go away. Go away.
The bifold doors. Step 1. Build the door panel. Step 2. Connect the door panel to the wall. Step 3. Build the pulley. Prison room 3. Broke prison room.
Open the door so I can see what this prisoner is doing. Ah! Where is he? No, disgusting bugs. See ya.
Railroad crossing.
The car's brakes are broken!
Someone calls 911.
I've had an accident. I need assistance.
We'll be there in a few minutes.
How was a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back. We're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us.
Come on, let's do it together.
Yes, sir! Let's begin.
Long ago, two mighty cities clashed in a fierce battle for supremacy.
You cannot hold out much longer. Back at full force.
We will end the battle soon.
No mercy for the invaders.
Prepare to meet your fate.
Victory or death.
Fire the artillery. Someone help me. I can't see.
Help! We will have our revenge.
How to build a retractable bridge. Step 1. Build the bridge column. Step 2. Build the bridge deck. Step 3. Install the engine. How a retractable bridge works.
Let's get started. Are you ready to fight? Charge into the fray. Attack now. Surrender or face our wrath.
You shall not prevail. You are brethren.
Follow me to victory, my warriors. Fight for a homeland.
Let's fight.
Retreat while you still can.
Let's show them the strength.
Break their ranks.
Forward for glory and victory.
You're under fire. Let's go. No obstacle can stand in our way. Victory is ours.
The marvelous capsule vending machine.
Wow.
I want it, but I can't buy it. I decide to search for something unbelievable. I think I can build it with Lego. To begin, use the Lego Mindstorm set. Next, add the zones and done.
Yeah! Oh my God! Wow!
I will assemble the individual parts and then connect them together. Now, place the colored ball tray on top.
1.
Just $2 for each turn. The sound of money. I can't wait to see inside it. Wow, it's a stress ball. What can you do with it? Stretch it, squeeze it. Who needs a stress ball? It's me. It's like a mini workout for your worries.
2.
I wonder what we'll get this time. Let's see. A dino egg. It feels like a real treasure hunt.
2,000 years later.
Whoa!
My baby dinosaur. I'm your daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
3.
I will try the green color. Spring doll. A simple joy of fitting each part together. It looks so clumsy cute. It can turn any frown upside down.
4.
Let's see what's in here. It's handheld console. I can raise some chickens. A handheld console is small and easy to use.
5.
I'm so excited. My favorite yo-yo. Twist, turn, glow, playing with it. Stress just melts away.
6.
Pop It bracelet. Popping a pop, it brings a burst of joy and becomes my favorite accessory, the unique bracelet.
7.
Who knew slime could be so addicting?
8.
The spinner. The flexible spinner, creating and changing its form with ease. It can also transform into many different shapes. Spinning with your fingers and watch it go round and round.
9.
With a clay, you can knead and shape it. You can make anything from clay you want.
10.
Looks like my wallet's on a diet. Squishy. It is as cute as jelly. I'd almost want to eat it.
Do you want to eat me?
Yes.
Hey, don't eat me.
11.
I have never played gravity sand before. Shall we try it? Oh, how satisfying. Mold it into a castle. What? It doesn't look like the castle. So ugly. I don't want to see it anymore. 11 anti-stress items that I got from this machine. If you want a mystery egg, let's comment to receive it.
Hey! Don't think you can escape. Stop! My car's not exactly built for staircases. I'll catch you.
How to build a climbing car. Build the frame. Add an engine. Add wheels. Level 1. Obstacle 1. Passed. Level 2. Obstacle 2. Passed. Level 3. Obstacle 3. Failed.
I'll try the plan B.
How to upgrade a climbing car. Build the frame. Add an engine. Connect. Add wheels. Obstacle 1. Passed. Level 2. Obstacle 2. Passed. Obstacle 3. Level 3.
No obstacle can hinder my pursuit.
Passed.
Time to climb. That mouse is mine. Oh no! There's treasure waiting for us.
Let's see what treasures this map leads us to.
Oh no, fog in a cave. Dad, what's wrong?
This fog is poisonous.
We use gear to clear fog with airflow?
How to build the 6-blades fan. Step 1. Build automatic fan blades. Add the engines. Add the frame. Step 2. Complete assembly. Testing.
That's how we get rid of the smoke. Now we've seen everything.
Hey, son, look!
I'm not afraid of spiders. Go straight.
How to build the 10-blades fan. Step 1. Build automatic fan blades. Add fan blades. Step 2. Connect. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the engines. Testing.
The wind is so strong.
Let's go, my son!
Huh? What a surprise!
A line of candles blocking our path in the cave.
How to build the 14-blades fan. Step 1. Build automatic fan blades. Step 2. Upgrade the fan blades.
I think we can do it.
The fire is completely out. Perfect solution. Now we can move past it.
Come back home, son.
Oh no, falling bricks ahead.
Our vehicle is stuck.
Dad, help me.